We hope to accomplish at the Gardens of Somerset a new way of entering into the next stage of life. We have some beautiful independent living cottages that look out on a great greensward. I've designed a pond with a dock for fishing, and there are gardens and orchid rooms and greenhouses, and a small farmette with poultry and vegetables and things like this. And the idea is that we're doing something different. We're not warehousing our seniors and moving them to the edge of the county, but they are wholly integrated into the community and into the vitality that the community can bring to what we're doing at the Gardens of Somerset.